Okay, so here's my how I did it guide on installing this draw tight 2-inch hitch on a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. On your driver's side, you have 3 mounting points. These two are going to be 18 millimeter bolts, and this one down here is a 15 millimeter bolt. And then on the passenger side, you have 2 mounting points, that one being an 18 millimeter and this one being a 15 millimeter. Now, I'm going to crawl under here. The things you're going to need is, you're going to need, ratchet, breaker bar, obviously, and I recommend a jack stand to help you hold this up if you're just doing it with one person, because it's kind of a cumbersome piece. So I started on the driver's side. That's your 15 millimeter bolts, and then you have your 2 18 millimeter bolts. And then when you come over to the passenger side, you're going to want to start by removing the bolt, which is in this exhaust hanger. That's going to be a 13 millimeter bolt, and this exhaust system definitely is kind of stiff. So you're going to want to move back to your second muffler hanger, and I put the bolt back in there. That's another 13 millimeter bolt. So you're going to want to loosen that up, so this will give you some wiggle room, because your 15 millimeter and 18 millimeter bolt that you're going to remove and use for attaching is right under here, and normally it's sitting like so. You really can't get to it, so this will give you a little bit of slack, to get in there. And what I ended up using was some extensions. Yeah, you're going to want to have some extensions as well to get to it. I don't know where I put the extensions at the moment, but anyway, you get the idea. So 3 fasteners there, your hanger here, your hanger there, and then the 2 back fasteners here, right underneath your that muffler. Not too terribly difficult. If you can, this car's not too terribly dirty, but you may want to power wash this or try to wash it off before you start on it, so you don't have bits of dirt falling in your face the entire time that you're working on it. But pretty straightforward. Figure it's going to take you better part of an hour. But U-Haul quoted me, I think it was about $125 installation fee on this. So for $125 savings, I'll just install it myself. Anyway, hope you found this helpful.